Hello everyone, my name is Pawan and my topic is fuzzy logic. Okay, initially I will explain the need of fuzzy logic because if we take an example like truth or false, if the water is cool, so we can represent it as 0. If water is false, we can represent it as 1. But in generally humans will say that water is very cool, water is normally cool, water is normally hot, so we cannot represent that to system understandable format. So here comes the topic fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic, initially fuzzy logic will convert that input to the system understandable format. For example, if we say water is normally hot, so for example we can take it as 0.6. Water is normally cool, so it will tell us 0.2. uh, there is a situation where we need to take the decision exactly not truth or not false, in the medium. In our real life we can take an example like how did you wrote your exam. Normally generally the people will say normal, they will not say pass or they will not say fail, average, like that. In that situation we need to use that fuzzy logic to make system understandable in that format. And the fuzzy logic ranges from 0 to 1. The fuzzy logic differs from probability. Probability is a very different concept. So to make it clear, I will take an example and I will explain how fuzzy logic differs from probability. For example, there are some number of milk bottles and there are some number of water bottles and there are some number of mixture of water and milk bottles. Now if we say that the probability of picking the milk bottle is 0.5, if we assume 0.5, then the fuzzy logic, when it comes to fuzzy logic, the 0.5 is a degree of truthness. So whenever we pick a bottle, the 0.5% of the milk should be present in that bottle, so it represents the degree of truthness. The fuzzy logic is mainly degree of truthness. So fuzzy logic consists of four parts, four process. Like in the first process is rules. In that rules we will define all the conditions, like if else statements. Every condition is been fed into the rules. And the next comes to fuzzifier. What is fuzzifier? Why do we need fuzzifier? For example, if we take an air condition example, the air condition should maintain a room temperature constant at normal, constant at 24 degrees. For example, if we turn on AC for 2-3 hours, the room will get overcooled and it may reduce the temperature. So to control that, we are using fuzzifier. The sensor inside the air condition will capture the atmosphere temperature, room atmosphere temperature, and it will convert. So it is the temperature which the sensor captures the input is crisp input. That crisp input will be converted to the fuzzy input set. Based on the intelligence, the current value, based on the rules, the intelligent system will decide what to do. For example, the room temperature is 16, so the system will take the rule as that it should turn off AC for few minutes. That will be sent to the defuzzifier, so AC should be turned off. That output should be converted into the crisp output. So to convert that, we need defuzzifier. This is the basics of fuzzifier, defuzzifier, intelligence rules. And there are many real-time examples that fuzzy logic has been used. Okay, when we come to the fuzzy logic in real life examples, like when we use mobile with a facial locking, we need to unlock our face. In this pandemic situation, everyone are wearing mask, so in the public they cannot remove the mask to unlock their face. But also the fuzzy logic had been used there to unlock the face, because the fuzzy logic can tell the degree of truthness. Like if the face has been matched 0.67%, so I am unlocking the phone. Like the entire face may need not to be needed. And the air conditions, washing machine. Now I am going to discuss about how braking system has been used. For example, if we are going in a car, the car is going very speed, and that for example, if we say 40 is the mm, 40 is the medium, and 45 is the high speed. So if the car is going 40.1, then it will convert that into fuzzy logic, and it will use a auto brake system. And rice cooker, elevator control, auto engine, smart TV, there are many various applications in our real life where we use fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic plays a major role for all this, and the main advantages of fuzzy logic is mathematical concepts are very simple, and fuzzy logic can be easily constructed, and fuzzy logic can solve a complex problem in all the fields. Fuzzy logic are reasoning. Fuzzy logic can distort a noisy input formation. If we pass any noisy input also, that fuzzy logic can understand and take the decisions based on that. There are disadvantages of fuzzy logic. There is no systematic approach like designing, and there is no systematic approach of fuzzy logic. They are understandable only when simple. But when fuzzy logic goes very complex, but we cannot understand that fuzzy logic. They are suitable for problems, and they do not give high accuracy. The accuracy we get as minimum, but we cannot achieve high accuracy using the fuzzy logic. So fuzzy logic has some disadvantages, and it has more advantages. And my conclusion of the topic is fuzzy logic can be used in our real life for various application, and I am going to describe an application. Like if we use an device which is implanted inside the land, the fuzzy logic can sense the water moist inside the land, and it can decide whether the water should be poured for plants or not, for crop or not. So it is my innovative thinking and application where we can use fuzzy logic, which will be helpful for farmers and many other people. Thank you.